Good morning. Okay, my appreciation list of today, Friday, March something, 2021. Number one, I appreciate the one and only Karina that's filming this video. I adore her. I appreciate the sun, this beautiful sun that's shining on my beautiful head this morning. I appreciate the business that we're having here. We have tons of business. We appreciate the coffee right here. Not a plastic bottle, stainless steel. I appreciate this traffic light that's saving my life. We got the red light right here. I appreciate the shadow, the art, the music, the fun, the challenges, the humble beginnings that we had, our amazing clients, our amazing employees, this beautiful car, the engineers that behind these cars. I appreciate them very much. I appreciate Lima, Peru, and I appreciate Princeton, New Jersey, and I appreciate you guys. You guys are the best, like by far the best. Okay guys, we'll see you tomorrow.